Today, we will talk about how to make money while you sleep. Passive income ideas. The idea of making money while you sleep has captivated people for generations. In today's digital age, achieving financial independence through passive income streams is more accessible than ever. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, creating opportunities to grow wealth and achieve financial freedom. From online ventures to traditional investments, there are numerous ways to generate income while you're asleep. Let's explore some of the best passive income ideas that can transform your financial future. 1. Investing in dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are an excellent source of passive income. When you invest in these stocks, you're essentially purchasing a small ownership stake in a company. Many established companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends. The process is simple. Research reputable companies with a history of stable dividend payments and hold on to the shares. Over time, the dividends accumulate, providing a steady stream of income. You can reinvest the earnings to compound your returns or cash them out for immediate use. This method requires an initial investment, but the ongoing effort is minimal, making it a popular choice for passive income seekers. 2. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a specific area, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to earn money passively. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to design and sell courses on topics ranging from graphic design to personal finance. The initial effort involves creating high-quality content, such as videos, written materials, and quizzes. Once the course is live, it can generate income whenever someone enrolls. The potential for scaling is immense, especially if your course addresses a high-demand topic. Promote your course on social media or through email marketing to maximize visibility and earnings. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability and potential for automation. To start, you can create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account focused on a niche you're passionate about. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, Share.so, or ClickBank to access a wide range of products to promote. By embedding affiliate links in your content, you can earn money whenever someone makes a purchase through your recommendation, often while you're asleep. 4. Rent out real estate or property. Owning and renting out property is one of the most traditional forms of passive income. With platforms like Airbnb, you can turn your spare room, vacation home, or even an unused garage into a money-making asset. The process requires some upfront effort, such as preparing the property and creating a listing. However, once it's up and running, you can earn income with minimal involvement. To enhance your earnings, ensure your property is well-maintained and offers unique features that appeal to renters. 5. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer P2P lending platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to earn passive income by loaning money to individuals or small businesses. As a lender, you receive regular payments that include both interest and the principal amount. P2P lending offers higher returns than traditional savings accounts, though it carries some risk. To minimize potential losses, diversify your investments by lending smaller amounts to multiple borrowers. Once you've set up your account and chosen your investments, the income stream requires little to no maintenance. 6. Sell stock photos or digital art. If you're skilled in photography or graphic design, selling digital assets can be a fantastic source of passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy allow creators to upload and sell their work to a global audience. Every time someone downloads your photo or purchases your digital art, you earn royalties or a share of the sale. The initial effort involves building a portfolio and uploading your work, but once your assets are online, they can generate income indefinitely. This method is perfect for creative individuals looking to monetize their talents. 7. Start a blog and monetize it. Blogging is one of the most popular passive income methods in the digital world. By creating content on topics you're passionate about, you can attract an audience and monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. The initial phase involves setting up your blog and writing high-quality posts. Over time, as your blog gains traffic, the income opportunities multiply. Platforms like Google AdSense or MediaVine allow you to earn money through ad placements. While building a successful blog takes time and effort upfront, it can become a lucrative passive income source. 8. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you're interested in real estate, but don't want the hassle of managing properties, REITs are an excellent alternative. These investment vehicles allow you to own a share of income-generating properties without the responsibilities of being a landlord. REITs typically pay out a significant portion of their earnings as dividends, providing a reliable income stream. You can invest in publicly traded REITs through a brokerage account, making it an accessible and straightforward option for passive income. 9. License your music or audio content. Musicians, composers, and sound designers can earn passive income by licensing their work. Platforms like Audio Jungle, Epidemic Sound, and Pond5 allow creators to upload and sell their audio tracks for use in videos, advertisements, and other projects. Every time someone licenses your music, you earn royalties. While creating high-quality tracks requires time and effort upfront, they can generate income for years. This method is particularly appealing to creative professionals looking to monetize their talents. 10. Develop and monetize a mobile app. If you have programming skills, developing a mobile app can be a highly profitable way to earn passive income. Apps can generate revenue through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. The process involves creating an app that solves a problem or entertains users. Once the app is live, the income flows whenever users interact with it. While app development requires technical expertise and an initial time investment, the earning potential is enormous, especially if the app gains popularity. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.